Hello guys, so welcome to tonight's show. My name is CHUKS. I am on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we're going to see our program for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world for now. I'm going to start with tonight's show. Alright, so Arsenal don't play against Manchester United at the Old Trafford, aka Theatre of Disaster. You get. So Arsenal played there and we grinded out an ugly 1-0 win against Manchester United. The match no day is you get. It was quite difficult to play. When you even look at the statistics of the game, you go find out say Manchester United had higher ball possession. Imagine they get 61% of the ball. We have 39. We were willing to sit back for them. Get. So now then get like 22 total shots. 22. Arsenal get just I think 9. Get. They get more shot on goal than us. In fact, Raya made 7 saves. 7 saves. Saves now ball was supposed to enter net. He saved out. 7 saves for this match. For you to know the type of firepower wey Manchester United carry come. That's why many people dey talk say if to say Gabriel Magalhaes no dey, we for pack am go house, we for chop am because we try today, we try. That's why I just dey happy. So okay, at the end of the day, at least we grinded out the results. Then make we see wetin go happen for our next match. You get. In fact, I can't go even dey check the table. When you check the table, you go see say na only 6 people na win for this round one, this week one. Man City win, Sunderland, Tottenham Hotspur, Liverpool, and Nottingham Forest and Arsenal. These 6 teams then win. Now for week 2, Manchester City now go play a tougher game. Man U go play Tottenham Hotspur. They go play third. Go first and third go play for week 2. Now Liverpool they go St James's Park to go play Newcastle. Don't say as e be now. So we now we be say now we play Manchester United, we go play Leeds United. You see say for the first match we get tough game, then get easy one. Second one now then get tough and we get easy one. So more we see wetin dem sef go do. We go see wetin Man City and Tottenham Hotspur sef e dey body wey dey play, you get. So Newcastle, then Liverpool with the Isaac or no Isaac, that one sef go make the match catch fire. I would like to watch that match. Talking about our own, we played beautiful nonsense. Like we not really did the game, yet we just play rubbish. Odegaard no did the game, Saka no did the game. Martinelli no did. Even Madueke enter still miss glorious opportunity. Like we did not do that well. But the most important thing is we kept the clean sheets and we won. Even Charles Watts, I was listening to him. Charles Watts talk and say we not really play well today. Like we played rubbish. We don't play today. Although you know they surprised because when you look at the players and the money wey Manchester United spend, all these players wanted to prove a point. All the people in Manchester United signed, then one proof point to let everybody know say we sef we understand the EPL. We are coming here to come and win, yes. But at the end of the day, e no really favour them. And when you remember, say according to historical data, we dey usually beat this Manchester United in recent times. If you remember, we beat them in recent times, and that was why people like Ruben Amorim come talk say everybody thinks Arsenal will beat us. I know that. I remember when Ruben Amorim talk that thing. I think it was this morning. Say everybody believes say Arsenal will beat them because Arsenal they usually beat them. But say them go show everybody difference. They go change them. Look at the headline of the podcast wey Charles Watts do after the match. 3 beautiful ugly points. You get. If you watch the podcast, instead of talk and say we play rubbish, but the koko be say we win because we are trying to adapt to the new system and na small everywhere go stew. At the end of the day, na mixed reaction. Manchester United players they were very very angry. Our own players they happy, they celebrate. Say yes, at the end of the day we collect our maximum freedom because we won't win title. Manchester United know they go say they won't go win the title you get. Fabrizio Romano self put and say yes, Manchester United had 20 shots, but no be on target, so that one a mistake then do there get. At the end of the day, I also watch Amorim press conference. Amorim say we outplayed Arsenal, one of the best teams in the league. Yes, I agree. We now outplay us. Both ball possession, we agree. Yes. So Amorim say today we prove that we can beat every team in the Premier League. Yes, and like I said in the full-time analysis show, we don't go Old Trafford, we don't collect our own points. Many teams go there, they go struggle based on the way Manchester United don't strengthen. I want to see Chelsea go there. I want to see Man City go there. I want to see Liverpool go there. All these teams themselves go visit that place. So I go see how themselves go fare, because that ground is not going to be an easy ground. We will not get business with them again. Then go come the Emirates Stadium, and I can tell you for free, it will not be the same like this one with them do now. Now, I told you, David Raya, according to ESPN UK, David Raya made more saves than any other goalkeeper, 7 saves during this opening weekend. Nobody made 7 saves like him. Now, they're going to ask Arteta about Victor Gyökeres. So Arteta going to talk, say yes, he see a lot of positives with Gyökeres. He did a lot of things, very good. There are some things we need to work on. There's still things that we'll work on. Coming away to Manchester United and getting a win in your first game, it's a very good start. Now, what Arteta can explain? You get, say we try. Easy. You get, based on what happened today. Easy. If you look Chelsea played beautifully well today. Chelsea get 70-something% more possession. At the end of the day, what they can do? They no win. You get, so even Chelsea player Kupama, they talk, say this guy now since January. Now be the last time when he scored. So the guy the beer like before it. That the fear factor is gone. Now TNT Sports, when talk, say Arsenal have lost just one of their last 52 Premier League away games in which they led at halftime. Which means any match if Arsenal go away and the conference score goal for first half, they know they easily lose that type of match. The last 52 times so it don't happen. Now only once, which means we lose 1, and the remaining 51 we no lose them. So they have won 42, drawn 9 of those. The last time we Arsenal get defeat for that kind of thing, Everton in December 2021. So this is all about historical data. Now, this is Arteta's record with Manchester United. Arteta loves to play Manchester United. Ever since where Arteta signed for Arsenal, Arteta don't play United 12 times. Arteta win 8, draw 2, lose 2. So now fantastic record. In fact, in recent times, the last 6 games we don't play against Manchester United, Arteta win 5, draw 1. That's a fantastic record. They're very, very easy. And Arteta they use and they're proud. At the end of the day, for the match we play, based on say Raya do 7-6, Raya won the man of the match for the game. Yes. Now for the Arsenal website, according to interview Raya, so Raya according to talk say we had the willingness, the fight, the spirit, the mentality to ensure we came out unscathed. So Raya according to explain say it's a great start in terms of points. In terms of a difficult place to come away from home to Old Trafford and get the 3 points and the clean sheets, but we know it wasn't good enough for the ball and we made a lot of mistakes. Yes, we know so we'll not play well. So there's a lot of things to improve, but I'm happy to get the 3 points and start with the clean sheets. Get. Secondly, going to talk say we know coming to this place how important it is to be alert, get, and try to do my job and help the team. And I think I did that, and I tried to help the team as much as I could. So much kudos to Raya. Now I think I could explain say before him come Arsenal, it was like 18 years going to 20-something years where we say we never really win for this Old Trafford. We dey struggle to come for this Old Trafford. If we come there, we no go fit win. They knock us blue and black. But ever since we come they win. This match, every single like the first match of the season, we came here, we won, but we are not still happy. For you to know, say Arteta self know so we play rubbish. We win, but he no really dey happy. But he will take the 3 points because for this ground, easy. Before I came here, we went many years without winning at Old Trafford. I come here and we win many times and we still are not satisfied. Yes. So that's a good feeling. It shows you the level we don't do. We expect our team to play beautifully well and also win convincingly. But like I said in some days ago in my podcast, there are games where they say you go play beautifully well and win. You play beautifully well and lose. You will play ugly and win. You play ugly and still lose. Those days will come. You see what we play today, we say we play ugly and we win. It will still happen again. I can tell you for free. No be 38 games. It isn't a marathon, it isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. So it will still happen again, Shola. For this season, go and write it down. One day, we go play one small league. We go dominate 7 ahead. We go do what Chelsea do against Crystal Palace, more than 70% ball possession. We go get am, yet we no go win. No be saying I swear, no be saying I cost, na normal level. You go do Liverpool, you go do Man City, you go do everybody. When that day comes, we go remember since I choose don't talk am. Every season they happen. You go play well. That day luck no go just do your. You just say the universe dey against you. Go play every night. Somebody entered my DM and was saying, CHUKS, no be last season for cup. Manchester United combatants, go check that match. Arsenal dominated, did everything right. Yes, we no see luck. Look at all those games saying Newcastle will come play us. All those games Aston Villa go play us. We go dominate 70% possession, create 1 billion chances on the platter of gold. We no go fit winner. That's what I'm talking about. So I just like the fact that we have the mentality of champions who can come, dominate games, whether we dominate or don't dominate or play ugly, as long as we win, I'm good to go. I have no problem. Now, away from that. All right, so do you know that Arsenal are unbeaten against the Big Six in the Premier League since the start of the 2023-2024 campaign? A run wey don stretch to 22 matches. The traditional Big Six, Man City, Liverpool, Man U, Spurs, Chelsea, when last dem beat us? It is intentional. No be luck. It is intentional. Say we no dey win the league, no be because of say we dey struggle against the big teams. No. Where we dey get problem na those small teams. All those Aston Villa dem, all those West Ham dem. Na there we dey really struggle. No be other than this one. So na the major issue wey we dey get. So if this season we can fix all those points wey we dey drop against all those small league dem. For example, all the Sunderland dem now, we can't go play them, go dey struggle. Okay, for example, now next match against Leeds, you go see how many ball possession we will get. You go see how many shot on goal we will get. You go see chances created on the platter of gold. Make we fit bury am. Na dey usually be our problem. Not be against Man U. We dey usually play well against all these big teams. They no dey beat us. But all these small league dem, God forbid, against Leeds, like when you say maybe Arsenal dey struggle, they create chances, they jam back, yeah, they miss chance, they shout, hey. All those things make it just be a thing of the past. This time around, at least we'll see the Goalkeepers come alive against this Leeds. And wetin me I dey think. Now, Chris Whitley talk say Arsenal are now the 5th most valuable football club in the world with an estimated enterprise value of 4 billion. 4 billion. Yes. So anybody want to buy Arsenal with a budget like 5 billion? All right, Ian Wright when they set targets for Ukraine. So say what's in the see? Saying they see like 15 goals. So now what's in the see for Ukraine? If Ukraine still score 15 goals, he might go rest. You know, go worry. Say 15 goals now reasonable milestone when go like make the guy sign. Now, I think I said to come in this first fixture to Old Trafford and to win with this atmosphere is top. We made mistakes, which aren't to our standard. But the way we reacted was very, very positive. And another way my eye opened to the way we say, I think I never really had that option last season. Depth. Imagine we can remove White, remove Calafiori, and we can bring in Skelly and Timber. First 11 quality. First 11 quality day for bench. We never had that option last season. We say, if these two fullback don't tire, bring 2 of them out, we never had that option. Say, okay, Martinelli, they okay. You come on Martinelli, put Noni. You never had that option. You get. So Odegaard no do normal. Nobody to come in. You see where Eberichese become important. Because of Eberichese, I dey watch Crystal Palace games. I watched the Chelsea match. See the shot Baba dey bomb for. That's waiting at the time when I say he's more of a goal threat than Odegaard. People go dey argue. Say, hey, Odegaard, Eberichese cannot replace him. What are you saying? Na emotion. Most people na emotion dey cloud na judgment. Eberichese can replace Odegaard. Yes, na me talk am. He can. He has the capacity. He dey whine me. Say bomb, but the guy dey bomb from outside shots, from outside was a thing. Hot one, nobody do soft one wey Odegaard be your wife and your catch. Confirm one. Well, it's unfortunate saying that Spurs in the goal. Although if you don't really go that Spurs again, because looking at waiting the coach of Crystal Palace put out today, I saw it because Oliver Glasner, when they tell the media, say, don't always believe what you are reading, especially on the internet. Because this Eberichese when I see, Shey una dey aware say in contract the clause e no dey again, so we are in total control. You get? So when I go dey believe say okay, they say anyone go join Tottenham Hotspur, go just don't go and believe. But the guy fit still dey give us boo. At the end of the day, fit still go to Tottenham Hotspur because according to Baba dey talk, he say, see, it will be Crystal Palace's decision on if he remains at the club. Now they go decide. Now there is no clause hovering around the player side. They say anybody fit just go trigger. You get? So we'll just watch where the player go at the end of the day. Now, TNT Sports Corner talk say Manchester United have recorded 20 plus shots in a single Premier League season against Arsenal for the first time since their 8-2 win in August 2021, where they do like 25 shots. So they were still unable to find a breakthrough, even though they wiped like 22 shots. Why are they wiping 20 shots? Because of the new firepower where they don't carry on. Do you think if they had the likes of Rashford, Anthony, they would wipe 22 shots? Because of the new firepower. They have a Kunha, they have a Sesko, they have a Bruno Fernandes, they have an Ahmad, they have an Mbuemo. Why they not go fire all those things? So that's just basically the kind of firepower where they threw the kitchen sink at us. See just stand. See nothing say. Last season best defense, last season best defense. Not be fluke. It is intentional. Now we the runner. So we let them know. I just very, very happy. Now look at what Roy Keane is saying. I watch Roy Keane when they analyze the game. So Roy Keane can talk say Arsenal were very happy enough to sit in at 1-0. And then you begin to wonder if that's the reason they drew so many games last season compared to Man City and Liverpool. I watched the video. What in they talk for that video? Baba they talk say Man City, they win 1-0, they don't go really come aside. And they don't go really go back. They go come aside, they won't make them 2-0. And Liverpool said go on come aside to make them 2-0. But that's not true. Not be every game where Liverpool take the lead, then they come aside say they won't come score more. Yes. Because there is what they call counter-attack. So the counter-attack Crystal Palace, they knock them back 2-0 to 2-2. Shey na because like this one with the 2-0 wey they play against the Bournemouth, so they win 4-2. Is it because they won? For this match, every match gets its own context. It gets its own storyline. It is different. For this Manchester United match, Baba expect us to come aside. With the way Man U dey press us, if so we really come aside, come follow them, play 50-50, they will beat us today. Our defense now be waiting save us. Did you hear what they give our goalkeeper man of the match? They do, and who cares? We won. If na final now, we don't leave the cup. You pack your possession. Nobody will they do before. We go pack possession, our opponent go still beat us. We go out with our possession. Hey, best possession. Best person will carry the 3 points. Who cares? Who could they grind out the result now? Go and chop the possession. Manchester United, you carry the possession. We came here to win. We did not come here to fight for possession. At the end of the day, the results now be the cocoa. We win and we not win. You see the guy you talk about say we don't win the league because if we win, if we score one, we go back. Manchester United Man City don't play against us for the Emirates. They don't play 10 men behind the ball. Even this Man U, they come they defend. Even Liverpool gone, then Germans gone. Then said no last season. For our home, if not be injuries, we'll just get small. So all this Nigeria are just a sore loser. In fact, Baba the vex so you can't just say, okay, look at the goal, the cheap goal where Bayindir concede against Arsenal. Say the keeper was very, very soft, and Man U are very, very soft. Say Man U keeper supposed to be very, very violent against Arsenal. If they're near you, you punch the ball, bust anybody face, anybody near. Oh man, you see this Roy Keane when the guy they played football. This guy was one of those violent people in football. That's why they talk say if to say na during now Roy Keane they play, nobody do all those things because of VAR. This guy did a lot of shenanigans. This guy nine kill Eliana Papa career, breaking leg. Alfinal breaking leg. Evil. Violence. This Roy Keane way they see so. That what thing they tell my keeper. What's the video? The guy know the para. The para. He say keepers and defenders complain all the time about people getting in their face. You get in their face, be aggressive. I've said it many times for a goalkeeper. Come with violence. Take control of it. Man, you are weak. That's all. Oh, man. You see this one will win. This man don't like him. But you know the funny thing? This is the same one that predicted that Arsenal were going to beat Manchester United 2-1. For you to not say that prediction not be really from their mind though. They just talk him. But internally, they want me Man U still win us. Now you say we go win 2-1. Okay, we can't win. You can't invest say we win. And now you say we go win. Like when I see all these things, I don't understand. Get people Gary never say they complain, but later Gary never say anyway. Say the goal now confirm goal. Say no, be say they will cancel the goal. Say no, be foul. Say now their own goalkeeper now no really calculate. But Rocky you the para today. Even Michael Richards and storage. Let us say, Baba, calm down now, calm down. All right, so from that, so from Mr. Romano going to give us another two at talk. Please say, okay, I think I've taken this story. No need to come and repeat it. So now the mirror, Gary Neville going to talk about the game. You can say because if they complain about their goalkeeper, they say it's going to keep hurting Manchester United. It's going to keep hurting them. Gary Neville said from the commentary box, the goalkeeper has got to be stronger. I think he will complain that he was fouled. He got a player in front of him. There's a lot of pushing and shoving going on. I just think your goalkeeper got to be stronger. Then at the end of the day, he can complain, he can confirm, say, get that player out of the way. Now to William Saliba. Nobody say Saliba even hold you. Saliba carry hand up. So Saliba not do anything wrong at all. So now you will no fit control your environment. Punch the ball. So even Clint Morrison, when they talk for BBC Radio, like I say, Manchester United need to strengthen their own goalkeeper. So because goalkeeper couldn't take charge. Now Ricardo Calafiori on the same game, Baba Kodetok said, like always, we work a lot on set pieces. I think we showed it today. Every season, I think we have to improve if possible, and we have to keep going like that. Was telling Sky Sports. Now people going to wonder what's happened to Nogard. We make Nogard not available today, so what is a medical reason you get. So that's why the guy not available. He has a medical problem because they're saying maybe instead of fee involved. That's how they put Merino. Maybe not Nogard there for puts. I don't really know, but anyway, they be saying no, they don't win our winning. Now, Oliver Glasner now confirm say, okay, I think I've taken that story, no need to come and repeat it. Now let's bring you a message for one of our sponsors, Mobile World Associates and Co Limited. They're into construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate, and shore protection works. They're also into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, call them on +234 80 646 422 34, and they're located at number 7 Ekenwa Road, or Razi, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. So if you're interested in any of their services, please reach out to them. So the biggest news of the night, let me in fact say Arsenal don't play Manchester United, and we don't grind out an ugly 1-0 win against Manchester United to become one of the 6 teams we don't win for week 1. So that's what it will be. So at the Arsenal lovers, I think it's a fine place for us to call the show and ends like come your way tomorrow morning to give you the morning news. So then thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your night. Now good night, and then I came out. All right, guys. Woo! Now good night. Bye bye.